Knowledge Bank. How do bubbles get into the soft drink? Answer. The bubbles in the soft drink are made of carbon dioxide gas. The gas is pressed into the bottle so hard that it vanishes into the drink. As we open the sealed bottle, the gas gets space to escape in the form of bubbles, and so they begin to fizz out from the drink into the air. Why do we hiccup? Answer. Sometime while eating food hurriedly, some food particles enter the windpipe, blocking the passage of air. It causes irritation of the nerves that extend from the neck to the chest and results in hiccups. The diaphragm muscles contracts repeatedly. The opening between the vocal cords snaps shut to check the inflow of air and makes the hiccup sound. How can you see through a glass? Answer. We can see through a glass since it is transparent, which means it lets the light pass through it. Why do astronauts grow taller in space? Answer. You will be surprised to know that astronauts may grow up to 2 inches taller in space. It is because the cartilage disc in the spine expand in space due to the absence of gravity. Why do we blink? Answer. Our eyes make tears all the time. Blinking helps in spreading the tear water across the eyes. This saves the eyes from drying out and causing us any trouble. What is the blood falls? Answer. Blood falls is the name of a salt water source that pours out of a glacier in Antarctica. It is completely devoid of oxygen, containing a high amount of iron and sodium. When the water coming out of glacier is finally exposed to air, its color changes to blood red, making it appear as if the glacier is bleeding. Why does our tummy make a noise? Answer. When our tummy is empty, that is without food for a few hours, gas filled up in it. The tummy then begins to make similar movements that it makes when there is food inside it. These movements squeeze the gas out, which makes a rumbling sound. What is the human brain made of? Answer. The human brain is a jelly-like organ composed of 80% of water. It is the fattiest organ in the body and may consist of at least 60% of fat. Why is chewing gum sometimes good for health? Answer. Chewing gum at regular intervals improves oral health and hygiene. It stimulates the saliva secretion and flow in mouth, reduces plaque, removes debris, enhances strength of teeth, and prevents cavities. Where is the world's deepest underwater post box? Answer. The world's deepest underwater post box is in Susami Bay, Japan. It is 10 meters underwater and diving suits are needed to drop off and pick up the mail. This mailbox placed underwater usually receives 1,000 to 1,500 mails each day.